Mechanics learn these tricks in year one. Customers almost never hear them. Why? Because these little secrets quietly kill diagnostic fees, repeat visits, and easy labor money. Today I'm counting down all 17. And number 1 is the trick a master technician with 31 years in the trade told me he never voluntarily shared with a single customer until the week before he retired. He said he had nothing left to lose. Let's get into it. Number 17, the rubber band fastener trick. A stripped screw is where shops start the clock. The second a simple job slows down, the labor meter starts climbing. Here's the part they never tell you. One rubber band fixes a shocking number of stripped screws for free. Lay it flat over the damaged screw head. Press your screwdriver through it. Turn slowly. The rubber fills the damaged grooves and gives the tool just enough bite to back the screw out. Works on Phillips heads, partially rounded hex heads, and screws that have been painted or corroded smooth. Zero cost. 30 seconds. Done. Shops charge a minimum diagnostic fee the moment a stripped fastener adds time to a job. Now you know why the clock starts so fast. The next trick involves a product in your garage right now that mechanics use quietly on suspension and door hardware and would absolutely never mention at the counter. Number 16, the silicone spray bushing and seal fix. Suspension creaks, door seals squeaking against the frame, trunk hinges groaning every time you open the lid. Shops diagnose these noises as lubrication service or bushing wear at $60 to $90. Before you authorize anything, spend $3. Spray silicone lubricant directly onto every visible rubber suspension, bushing on the affected corner of the vehicle. Silicone is safe for rubber. It will not degrade the material. Do the same for door seals, trunk seals, and any rubber weather strip that has stiffened from sun and cold. If the noise disappears, the bushing or seal was dry, not worn, not failing. $3 of silicone spray just clarified what a shop would have charged $90 to diagnose. The next trick saves money on one of the most commonly misdiagnosed check engine codes in the country. Number 15, the mass airflow sensor cleaning trick rough running. Hesitation under acceleration. Uneven idle. Check engine light with a MAF related code. Most shops go straight to sensor replacement. $150 to $350 for parts and labor. Before you authorize that, spend $4 and 15 minutes. Mass airflow sensor cleaner is a specialized spray at any auto parts store. Remove the sensor from the air intake tube, usually 1 or 2 screws. Spray the cleaner directly onto the sensor wire or plate inside the unit. Let it dry completely. 10 to 15 minutes. Do not touch the sensor elements. Reinstall. Clear the code. A contractor from Texas paid $280 for a MAF sensor replacement at a dealership without knowing cleaning was an option. 6 months later, the code returned on the brand new sensor. He looked up the cleaning procedure. Spent $4. Has not seen the code since. That's not a repair. That's a revenue stream. The next trick prevents one of the most common 30-day return visits shops count on after a brake job. Number 14, the brake squeal. Prevention, secret. Brake squeal after a pad replacement is one of the most reliable sources of repeat business for shops. You come back within 30 days. They inspect the brakes. They apply a compound to stop the noise. $40 to $90 for a return visit they could have prevented during the original job. Every professional mechanic doing a quality brake job applies anti-squeal compound, brake quiet, or ceramic paste to the back face of the pad backing plate before installation. It damps the high-frequency vibration between the pad and the caliper bracket that causes the squeal. 90 seconds per corner. Applied before installation, the noise never starts. A driver from Florida paid a $40 return visit fee 3 weeks after her first brake job. Before the second job, she asked one question: "Are you applying anti-squeal compound to the backs of the pads?" Squeal never appeared. Same shop, same technician. One question changed the outcome entirely. Ask before the job starts, every time. The next trick is one that most drivers pay a diagnostic fee to learn when the answer is available for free before they ever walk through the shop door.